Morning class. Today we're going to discuss about the introduction of science. I would like to call on the secretary of the class to check those late comers and those who are absent today. Okay, let's proceed. We're going to define what science. Science is actually the systematic way of solving problems through observations and logical reasoning. It means that it is an organized knowledge. So there is actually steps in following in making a successful experiment. Okay, number 2 is the search for knowledge and information about the surroundings. If you're going to find a research, you have to jot down some information regarding that project that you're going to make. Next is about using and applying the different scientific processes. And what are those different scientific processes? One is actually observing, or first is actually you have to make a problem, then observe. Okay, then get the data. So, and the rest is actually up to you have to get the conclusion if it is already done. Okay, the fourth one is the search for facts and laws that help you to explain certain events in nature. Like, for example, the laws of energy. Energy cannot be created nor destroyed, but it can be transformed. Okay, like the energy coming from the sun, it will actually received by the plants, and then the plants will actually be eaten by the animals and humans. So the energy was actually being transferred to animals and humans. Then it will be released in the form of feces, and then it will again goes back to the soil to become a that will be the food of the plants, that will serve as the food of the plants. Okay, in science, it has actually different branches. One of the branches is anatomy, which is the study of the internal structure of living things. Next is astronomy. It is the study of celestial objects in the universe, meaning celestial. These are the stars, these are the planets, these are the asteroids, and other celestial objects that is found in the outer space. Biology is the study of living organisms. Okay. Biology meaning bio means life. It is the study of life. Okay. Botany is the study of plant life. It means that this branch of science deals specifically for plants alone. Then chemistry. Chemistry is actually the study of properties and the structure and composition of a substance that undergoes chemical reaction. Next is ecology, deals with the relations of organisms to one another and their physical surroundings. Ecology, meaning it is actually about the environment, which is the organism that is living. Genetics is the science of genes, heredity, and the variation of organisms. So, genes meaning what uh, what we what we have now is actually coming from our forefathers or for our parents. We inherit our eyes. We inherit some parts of our bodies. Next is geology, study of the Earth's structure and its changes. Okay, in geology, the structure meaning these are the um, this pertains to the layers of the Earth. These are the lithosphere, which is actually the rocks um, made up of rocks, the water, and the air. Okay, next is we also have some local and international scientists that contributes to science. Number one is Conrado Dairit. He made the virgin coconut oil. Um, Gregorio Izarra. He actually invented the palm oil and the video phone. Uh, he made the airplane run on pure alcohol in 1952 and discovered also the physical law of electrical. Okay, next is Anacleto del Rosario, created the pure alcohol from tuba of honey palm. Charles Robert Darwin, he is famous for his contribution to the science of evolution or the Darwinism. Next is Alessandro Joseph Antonio Anastasio Volta, developed the electrical bolt and named after him. Stephen Hawking is an expert on black holes, made a theory on the origin and end of the universe. Okay, let us move on to what are the scientific processes. Number one is observing. Scientists uses the five senses in dealing with um, observation, such as seeing, feeling, tasting, hearing, and smelling. So for seeing, actually, they have to use the microscope or the um, yes, the microscope in order to view some tiny bacteria which cannot be seen by our naked eye. Okay, feelings or emotions, no? Um, of course, they have to um, see to it that the one that they are actually studying or observing is, like for example, an animal. When does an animal actually feels that he is sad or he is actually hungry? So next is tasting. Tasting is actually a flavor in which the tongue likes to or attracted to a food that is actually that he likes. So there were actually um, five examples such as sweet, salty, sour, and bitter, and umami. So hearing, this actually refers to pleasant sound. Okay, when you're actually um, on a sound tripping, like you want to hear some um, music that are classical, or it might be upbeat, or it might be um, for modern what's this music. Next is smelling, odor or scent. Okay, smell. These are actually the fragrance